Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the Visor Mark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another of the Google devices, the Pixel 7a battery performance. Are you ready? The Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch OLED display with HDR and a 90Hz refresh rate. It features a 64MP main camera, 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 13MP front camera. The phone is water and dust resistant, IP67, and runs on the Google Tensor chip, with Android 13 and 3 years of updates. Storage options are limited to 128 GB with 8 GB RAM. The Google Pixel 7a falls within the mid-tier range with a price between €200 and €499. It offers a refreshed design and improved camera system. It's ranked the 20th within the mid-tier, earning a score of 40 out of 100 for battery performance. The Pixel 7a battery performance provides adequate 1.5 days of use, lasting up to 38 hours between charges. The Pixel 7a was awarded 1 out of 5 for battery efficiency, the same rating as both the Xiaomi 13 Lite and the Samsung Galaxy A54. Based on our calculations, the Pixel 7a has an annual energy consumption of 3.7 kWh. The Google Pixel 7a scored 40 out of 100 in battery performance, placing it in the Visor Mark mid-tier €200-499 category alongside the Samsung Galaxy A54 and Xiaomi 13 Lite, all launched in early 2023. The Samsung Galaxy A54 boasts a 20% CPU and 26% GPU improvement with its Exynos 1380 chipset, while the Xiaomi 13 Lite features the power-efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip and comes with MIUI 14 and Android 12. The Google Pixel 7a provides a battery life of 1.5 days, 38 hours between charges. The Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro have similar capacities, while competitors like Xiaomi 13 Lite and Samsung Galaxy A54 show comparable results with slightly different battery capacities. The Google Pixel 7a brings significant upgrades like a 90Hz display, 64MP dual rear camera, wireless charging, and the Tensor G2 chipset. Its battery life benefits from the smaller display and higher refresh rate. The main downside is the limited storage options, 128 GB, compared to competitors offering 256 GB. Still, it's a compelling choice in the mid-tier range. We look forward to bringing you our next smartphone battery performance review very soon. Thank you once again for watching. Please like, share, and comment on this video.